Hey, Mahmoud Rubel here, and in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to use Quora for affiliate marketing. So this is the very good way to make money from affiliate marketing. So it is a free source of traffic you can use. And it is very easy to do. So in this video I'm going to step by step how to uh, mm, get traffic to affiliate offer. So let's get started. So first, here is my profile. So you need to set your profile, but before you need to select a niche. So you need to select a niche. So let's say you uh, want to promote product about affiliate marketing. So in just need to answer the question about affiliate marketing. So after that, after selecting your niche, you need to organize your profile. So here it is my profile. So here is my name first, and then my tagline. So I help marketer who wants to make millions from internet. So after that, I give them a lead magnet. I give them lead magnet, get your fun and affiliate marketing secrets, course and books. So when they click here, they join my chatbot list. So when they join chatbot list, I give them my affiliate marketing and other related affiliate products. So I create a funnel here. So this funnel working very well for me. So after that, I am tell me about myself. So who is Mahmoud Rubel? So I tell me all the things, and then I add important links to my important links. So here are some affiliate link I give them. So first, keep in mind that you need to collect their email address. This is the first thing. If you collect their if a email address or chatbot messenger things, you can offer them again and again. So that is the number one thing. So that's why I first at this thing, get your funnel affiliate marketing course and books for free. So when they click here, they get all the things, but this lead, uh, I can promote them again and again. So as you can see, uh, uh, 5 into 6 content views. So I'm not active in Quora right now, but I need to active. It is a very good traffic source. So here it comes to, again, go to my profile. So as you can see, I promote a affiliate product. So here is my video review, and I product this kind of stuff. So first you need to set up your Quora funnel or profile. So after creating funnel, so what you need to do is go to Quora. So let's say you want to uh, promote a product about health. So let's say weight loss. So when you search for weight loss, you can see lot of a question. So here is, what is the best weight loss diet? So here is follower 1k follower, almost 1k followers. So when you go there, you can see lot of view all this. So as you can see, 80 88k views. So it is insane. So if you create a good answer and posted it, they upvote you. So if you can give a good answer, they obviously obviously check your profile, and then they can see your link affiliate link about your lead magnet or affiliate anything else So I recommend you first give them a lead magnet. So if they go your email list, then you promote anything you want. That is the right idea. So in this video, I'm not gonna talk about email marketing. So I just give you idea how you can promote in Quora. So there are a lot of question out there you can answer. And so after that, so when you answer the question, people who, go to your profile and go to your email list, or you in the bottom you can also add affiliate link. They can click here and go to and buy them. So another way you can do this affiliate marketing is you can add your affiliate link in your answer. So you can add your affiliate link in your answer very carefully. But if you give a lot of value, Quora don't mind, because Quora want to give value, and they don't mind if you give them a affiliate link. But if you write a small answer, 2 line or 4 line, and give affiliate link, Quora delete your answer. So don't do this. Give a value, then get affiliate. This way many people make $1,000 in Quora in Quora affiliate marketing. So here is my, as you can see, here is my profile. So when people click here, they see a chatbot get you, so send to messenger. So when they do this, so I give them a, a one time offer. So if they buy or not, doesn't matter. I already send a message. As you can see, here it is. So here it is. I send a message. So hey, welcome, Mahmoud. My name is Mahmoud Rubel. You are requested free courses and books. So there it is. Click here to get this all the things. So after this, I I I give them message day after every day. I message them about my affiliate marketing. I I educated them about this affiliate marketing is all the stuff. So this lead I can do anything. So I can promote any other affiliate product. So this is the lucrative way affiliate marketing. If you just posted affiliate link but not collect email, then what happen? You don't promote again with these people. They buy or not, they just get lost. So that is the exact method. By the way, I think you understand this method, and hopefully you implement this method. Thank you so much. And if you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel and like this video, so I can make this kind of lot of helpful videos. So this is for you. Thank you so much.